Having a solid preventative maintenance schedule can be a make or break factor for an efficient fleet operation. With the right PM schedule, fleet managers can expect to see clearer communication between drivers, technicians, and ADAMs, greater visibility into vehicle conditions and repair timelines, and easy adjustability in their PM process to make better organized fleet maintenance. And if you want to create a great preventative maintenance process but don't know where to start, we've broken it down into 5 easy steps that you can use to get on the right track. First is evaluate and catalog your inventory. You need to compile a list of every asset you own that will require regular maintenance. When creating this list of assets, maintenance managers should really take the time to include as much information about every asset as possible. Having important details like the make, model, and service history will really make your job easier in the future. Next, categorize assets by priority. Fleets need to prioritize upkeep of mission-critical assets over less vital ones. Divide your assets into groups based on how integral they are to your organization's operations, their probability of breakdown with age, and how hard it is to service them. Next, determine optimal PM cadence. There are 4 major ways to approach PM cadence. The first, run to failure or reactive maintenance, where you only initiate repairs as they become necessary. The second is preventative or interval maintenance, where maintenance is scheduled based on specific mileage or time-based criteria. Your third is predictive maintenance, where you use data and smart technology to key you in on potential issues. And number 4, reliability-centered maintenance. That guides which assets receive priority based on how likely they are to fail. There's really no one right answer to which approach you should take. That really just depends on your temperament for breakdowns, budgets, asset lifecycle goals, and OEM service guidelines. Really just choose whichever method is right for you and your operation, and be willing to experiment with different methods. Number 4, start scheduling. With those prior steps completed that we just talked about, fleets can begin scheduling maintenance tasks. Maintenance managers should make themselves available to technicians who might have questions about what is expected from them, and fleet managers should really put some systems in place for recording PM schedules, whether it's a well-structured spreadsheet or a fleet management software like Fleetio. Alright, the last step you need to know is analyze your results and make refinements. After rolling out an initial PM schedule, maintenance managers should closely observe the health of their fleet in order to gauge its efficiency. For example, if you start to see repairs arise before it's time to service those elements, consider tightening your interval timelines to nip those issues in the bud with PM. Or if your mileage is not getting as high as it needs to be before a scheduled service date, spread out your timelines so that you can save money on labor and materials by servicing your vehicles less often. And if you want more resources on PM scheduling, check out Fleetio's free PM scheduling tool, linked in the description below. Or you can get a 2-week free trial of Fleetio to see how fleet management software can really help you optimize your maintenance process. Check it out at fleetio.com/demo.